This puzzle store that was just opened in March of this year has generated over $12,000 in sales in just 3 months and is something you can easily create at home using AI. You can make life-changing money online by creating and selling these puzzles on websites like Etsy. You don't need any design skills or experience, you just need a computer and an internet connection. I'll walk you through how to generate ideas using ChatGPT, how to turn those ideas into art using Midjourney AI, and how to piece your puzzles together to list for sale on Etsy. Let's look at some shops that are already making a good profit. This shop started in March of this year and is already making a profit with 300 plus sales. You can see how many sales each puzzle has made. They have sold around 100 to 100 plus pieces of their popular designs. If we scroll down, we can see the latest reviews made by people, recent ones in June and May with 5 stars. So clearly, this shop is trending and profiting simply by selling easy puzzle designs. Let's look at another shop. This shop has almost made 47,000 sales in total and has a total of 100 plus puzzle listings alone. You can see the vast variety of designs with the same Starry Night theme. They have taken advantage of a popular design style and tweaked it a bit to make their own designs. These are some other shops with their own design styles. So, we can see how these simple designs are making people a lot of money. Now we first need to find a theme to make our puzzles about. I'm going to ask ChatGPT for 10 popular adult puzzle ideas and see what it comes up with. These are all great ideas, and you can also search for more specific niches with less competition. But for this video, we are going to make something similar to this shop. Once you have some ideas for your puzzle designs, you need to create the actual designs. You can use a platform like Midjourney to do that. You can also use free alternatives like Blue Willow or Leonardo AI. Midjourney is a tool that lets you create stunning designs using AI. Type/imagine and add your prompt. Once the processing is done, we see 4 variations of the prompt. You can choose whichever design you like for upscaling by pressing the respective buttons. V1, V2, V3, and V4 will provide you with 4 new variations of the respective image. This button will regenerate 4 new designs if you do not like any of the 4 provided. I like the second image, so I'm going to go with that and click U2 to upscale it. Enlarge the image and then save. After you have created your design files, you need to upscale them to make them suitable for printing. Once you have your image, you can head to a free website called Replicate to upscale your images and make them higher quality. This is an important step, as the image for printing needs to be of high quality, otherwise, customers may leave negative reviews. Just drag and drop your image, hit submit, and download the output image, which will be much higher quality. Finally, you need to print and sell your puzzle. You can use a platform like Printify to do that. Printify is a print-on-demand service that lets you create and sell custom products online. You can connect Printify with your Etsy shop and sync your products automatically. Simply make an account on Printify and go to Add New Shop. Here, my shop is already added, but you can see the option below. Choose Etsy and then fill in all the necessary details about the shop. Your account will be linked in. Now, search for puzzle layouts. Choose one. Upload your upscaled image file and choose the puzzle size and shape. Printify will then show you a preview of how your puzzle will look. Once you are satisfied, save, and now add the title of the product, description, and pricing. Then publish. Printify will handle all the printing, packaging, and shipping for you. You have now learned how to make money selling puzzles made from AI-generated designs. It's easy, fun, and profitable. You can create as many puzzles as you want and experiment with different themes and styles. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money through AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.